The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. Your Subaru has a driver monitoring system, better known as DriverFocus. The driver is always responsible for safe and attentive driving, and DriverFocus supports the driver with a near-infrared camera that constantly monitors eye and head position. While you're driving, your DriverFocus status is continually updated in the combination meter display. If the system senses you're possibly not paying attention or becoming drowsy while driving, the system beeps and gives an alert. Keep in mind this system won't provide alerts when the turn signals are on or if the vehicle is in reverse. You can turn off DriverFocus. To do this, press the off button to the left of the steering column. DriverFocus also includes facial recognition technology, which provides added conveniences. It saves each driver's unique seat and mirror preferences and adjusts them automatically upon entry. You can register up to 5 unique driver profiles. To register a driver, use the Info button on the steering wheel to navigate to the Settings menu in the multifunction display. Push the Info button to enter the menu. Using the EyeSight switches, navigate to the Driver Monitoring System menu. Select Register User. Now, adjust your seat and outside mirror positions. When ready, face forward and press the Set button. Remain facing forward until you hear a beep. Use the EyeSight switch to add your name and choose a personal icon. To finish registration, select Set. DriverFocus will scan and recognize you each time you sit in the driver's seat as a registered driver. Your vehicle will welcome you with a personal screen and greeting while recalling your preferred seat and mirror positions. To delete a driver profile, use the Info button on the steering wheel to navigate to the Settings menu in the multifunction display. Push the Info button to enter the Settings menu. Use the EyeSight switches to navigate to the Driver Monitoring System menu. Select Delete User. Select the driver you want to delete and confirm by selecting Yes.